How do your prospects choose a life insurance product? Well, I think most of us would say that we provide options from which they choose what suits them best. But that's not it. You see, you are the major reason people buy. Your opinion matters much more than you know and is the single biggest reason people buy what they do. Your product bias affects every recommendation you make. So if you like term insurance best, well, then everyone gets a quote and probably has it in their portfolio. If universal life is your favorite, well, why would anyone choose anything else? If par whole life is the be-all and end-all, well, you can bet it will be in every single one of your clients' portfolios. You see, your product bias is like a political belief that you will defend fiercely and rarely change. Now, the good news is that life insurance choices are an opinion because their application depends so much on what clients actually want. And let's be honest, there really are no bad life insurance products, only bad applications of life insurance products. Let's be fair here. Even actuaries have rules about this sort of thing. You can mitigate your bias with a product decision matrix. Simply stated, the horizontal axis is the money axis, from a little to a lot. The exact numbers will vary depending on your clientele. The vertical axis is the management required for the product axis for you and your client. So this gives us a top left box of little money, lots of management, universal life minimum deposits. The top right is lots of money, lots of management, universal life maximum deposits. Bottom left is little money, no management, term insurance. Bottom right is lots of money and no management, par whole life. Now, of course, there are variations of these products in between. But if you use this matrix, you will at least help clients understand the right decision for them and minimize your bias. That gives your prospects and clients real choices. Hey, would you like your team to see the complete product decision matrix and learn how to use it effectively? It's what I do as a fractional sales leader. Send me a message. In the meantime, we'll see you again next week. God bless.